Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change album cover on iPhone photos. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open up the photos on your iPhone and then tap on Albums at the bottom of the screen. Now you'll be able to see all of your albums, so go ahead and tap on the album for which you want to change the cover photo. Then select the photo from that album. Just long press on that photo, and then you will see a bunch of different options. So from this menu, tap on Make Key Photo, and that will make the photo that you selected as the cover of your album. So if I go back, you'll see that the album cover photo is exactly the one that I just selected. From existing images, and you'll be able to in this way, you can create an individualized look for each of your albums in no time. You can set the perfect custom cover easily. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.